Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look right here using makeup basics. Just the basics. I used an eyeshadow palette, a foundation powder, a foundation, a primer, contour palette, mascara, lip liner, and lip gloss. I used the basics. I didn't use anything extra. So if you like this look and you want to see how I achieve this look using the makeup basics, make sure you keep on watching this video. Also make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I always start off with brows, so that's what I'm going to start with today. I'm using this NikaK New York eyebrow pencil, and I have it in the shade dark brown. Next, I'm going to clean up my brows using concealer, and I'm taking my E.l.f. Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. Only using 6 brushes as well, so I'm trying to keep it as beginner friendly as possible. So to clean up my brows, I'm just taking a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to repeat the process on the other side, of course, and then I'm going to repeat it on the top of my brows. But on the top of my brows, I'm going to be using the foundation that I'm going to be using for today. Alright, and for the top of my brows, I'm using my Revlon Color Stay foundation in the shade 400 Caramel. Next, we'll be moving on to eyes. I'm going to use that same E.l.f. Pro Concealer. Well, what I like about this one is that it has a brush tip on it. So if I'm using it on, my eyes as an eyeshadow base or a primer, or on my under eyes to highlight, I can just brush it on. Going into eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Revolution Reloaded New-trals 3 palette, and I like this palette for multiple reasons. So let's say you didn't have, okay, first of all, it has a lot of eyeshadows in it, and most of them are neutrals or things that would be easy to use. But let's say you didn't have like blush or something. You have enough colors that you could use as a blush, so this is a good multi-purpose palette. A lot of times with makeup, something just like brushes, something may say that it's for something specific, but you can use it for multiple things. So I'm technically working with 3 eyeshadow brushes. Of course I used this one when I was concealing, but if I need to use it for this eye look, I will. I'm using this one. I'm using this one to do most of my blending and all of my crease work, and this one will probably be for all of my lid work, whatever. First, I'm going to take this shade here in the corner, and I'm just going to work that one into my crease. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade here. I'm thinking about doing a mini series of like the basics. So like a whole video on foundation, contouring, and highlighting application. A whole face of, not a whole face, a video about eyeshadow application, all that good stuff. So probably like, and like brow. If you like that idea, let me know down in the comment section below. And if y'all see these little straggly hairs in my brows, mind your business. I'm going to move on to the lid. First, I think I'm going to take this shade in the corner. Okay, so I went a little overboard and it's a little bit more pink than I wanted it to be. So, same palette, but I'm going to take these two, this one and this one. I'm going to mix those and I'm going to place them on top of this salmony color. And we're going to see how they go. I'm going to take that same blending brush. I'm just going to dip it back into that dark brown. And I'm just going to blend these two together. Now we're going to move on to the face. And for my primer, I'm going to take the E.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I mentioned it earlier when I was doing my brows. So I'm taking that same foundation, the Revlon Color Stay, in the shade Caramel. Going back with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I think this is like the third time using this, but I'm going to highlight in all the areas that I want. I'm going to use the same exact brush that I just used for my foundation, and I'm just going to tap it out and blend it out. To set everything, including the highlighter, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation Powder, or just Matte and Poreless Press Powder, and this one is in the shade 360 Mocha. Translucent powders could be considered a beginner friendly product, but for some reason I just didn't think to put it in here. So, you know. And this foundation powder can be used for multiple things. If the highlight is light enough, it'll stand out regardless. So now I'm just taking another brush and I'm just using that powder and I'm dusting it everywhere. I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette to do my contouring. I'm going to take this first shade here. I am just about done. I'm about to take some mascara and just apply it to my lashes. This is the Maybelline Great Lash in the shade Blackest Black. Taking this brush again because I'm going to use this brush for my blush and my highlight. In the beginning of the video I did not show a blush. That's because I'm not using a blush. I'm going to go in and like I said, we can use multiple things for multiple purposes. So I'm going to use the eyeshadow palette for my blush. Think about going through these three, 1, 2, and 3. I actually really like this and I literally cannot stand blush. So this is a good blush day for me. I'm going to go ahead and use this highlight that is in this Black Radiance True Complexion palette. That is it for right now. I'm going to be right back and we're going to finish everything up with some lips, okay? Okay. Alright, so I'm back and the first thing that we're going to do to bring an end to this video is the lips. One thing that I did not mention in the beginning of the video that is, I feel like it is a beginner friendly staple because it can bring your lip. I mean, yeah, it does that too. But it can bring your look together. And that's lip liner. So today I'm going to be using, as always, my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. This one is just about down to a nub. But I have like 2 backups. So I'm going to be okay. You could stop here and just put a little clear gloss on. I will show you what that would look like. So this is what the This is what the lip liner and just the clear gloss looks like. But I wanted to show you another one, but yeah, I like this. Wow, it is giving what it's supposed to have gave. Okay, I do want to show you the other option though. Give me a second. I'm going to take my favorite, besides clear lip gloss, because I wear clear lip gloss every single day. But if I wanted a little bit of color and you know, just something simple that for like an everyday makeup type of thing. Mocha Twist by E.l.f. and the Plumping gloss is my favorite. I actually have a backup of this. That's how much of a favorite this is to me. For me, oh, starting to feel the burn. For me, I know it's like a Your Lips But Better type of color. Oh, I don't know. I don't know which one I like better now. I know. I don't even need any more. Just putting it on at this point. Oh. My goodness. Whoa. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you comment in the comment section and let me know which lip combo you like the best. Do you like the lip liner and the tinted gloss or the lip liner and the clear gloss? Let me know, because I don't know. Alright, this is the final look. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And also make sure you share this video with your friends, your family, your boo, your other boo, and your side piece. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.